Welcome to Slow English. Today I want to show you something different, not grammar, not theory, but the way people really speak when they're tired, stressed, or just being human. If you've ever felt like your English is too formal, too textbook, this episode is for you. We don't say, I made a mistake. We say, I messed up. It's short, honest, a little bit painful. It's what you say when you know. You could have done better. Not, are you okay? Just 2 words. You good? It's casual. Friendly, real. It's what a friend says when they care, but don't want to make it heavy. We don't say, that's unfortunate. We say, it sucks. It's raw. It's emotional. It's what you say when something's just unfair. A job, a breakup, a Monday. It sucks. Not, I am very tired of this situation. Just, I'm done with this. It's powerful. Final. You've had enough. You're out. It's how you close a door without slamming it. Not, I'm overwhelmed, but can't deal right now. It's short. Honest. Native. It's what we say when we're full and still expected to function. These are the phrases that carry weight. Not perfect English, but real English, human English. So next time you feel tired, upset, or lost, say it like they do, not like a textbook. Thank you for listening to Slow English. And if one of these phrases felt true to you today, tell me which one in the comments.